I'd say my favorite part about this environment, AYRP, and I'd say is like the community and like just being able to hang around the kids. It's just such a cool job to have.
Running activities with the kids and watching them have fun, I think bringing joy to like these kids after like a super long day of school kind of makes me happy in a way, and it's also fun for me when I get to run something or like play a sport with the kids and they have fun with it as well.
Connecting with the kids, for surely. Just learning what they go through and just like really being there for them when they need someone.
I really enjoy seeing their personal development. For example, I like seeing kids start taking initiative. Instead of us telling them to do their homework, they're just going to do it themselves and they're going to get it done.
Most of it's usually outside with the kids, playing with them, getting to know them personally, on a personal level.
My favorite part is doing the activities and playing with my friends. My favorite part of our after-school program is how we have art class and we used to have math science.
Is to spend time outside, play with friends, basketball.
My favorite part was when he was making jokes and he was vibing with us.
I guess my best memory of AYRP is not necessarily just one memory, but more just meeting all the kids. So just getting to know the kids and getting to know all their personalities and actually become friends with the kids was fun to me.
We're like a family type of thing over here. Everybody got each other's back, everybody's cool.
My favorite part about this school, I would say, is the kids. I think the kids are very cool. Their personalities are really cool.
I just love making a positive impact on these kids and as they grow into their future.